Right now, we are on a small, wolf-infested island looking to set a few trail cams. Stick around, there should be a sweet video. Well, we found a good tree for the first cam right there, but we gotta break some dang branches first. There we go. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but I got the cam on that tree right there, and it's a pretty good trail, as you can see there, and there's actually some wolf scat on the trail right there, so that's good. We're gonna turn it on, and I honestly don't know when we'll be back, but we'll be back in a while.
Well, we found a pretty sweet spot for the second cam. It's just where this trail spits out onto this beach. There's a bunch of fresh tracks and stuff, but the only problem is we didn't have a tree. So me and Phoenix spent forever, and we got this log jammed into the rocks, and we're just getting the cam set and the angle figured out. Here's the cam up on the log, and down here's all the rocks and stuff we had to stack up to get the stick to stay, so hopefully it doesn't fall over.
Also, I forgot to say, both the cams we're using today are the Muddy Hunter 14, and we actually have a review on that cam, so I'll tag that up here and put the link in the description if you want to watch that.
The angle of the cam's good. Phoenix ran through settings. We're gonna have it on a 10-second video. We're gonna set it, and then we're gonna get out of here.
Okay, well, we're back. It has been a little over a month since we last checked these cams. There it is right there, so we'll check it and show you what it got.
Alright, we're just walking up to the second cam, and it's still standing. It looks like there's a bunch of tracks in front of it, so we'll show you the footage when we get back home.